Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take 2. Today in this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix Zoom meeting password incorrect. So sometimes what happens, you enter a password, the correct one, but it gets incorrected. So I'm gonna be teaching you a very easy step to fix this one. So if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, let me just type the correct password and it will say it's incorrect. So what you can do is cancel it, just cross your Zoom app, and then refresh your background and then open your Zoom app again, and now again try it. So like this, and then just try to have the password again, and then now try Zoom meeting, joining it, check your internet connection as well, and then now you can see it is fixed. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away. And I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.